Hello Z, and welcome to another episode of the Supercar Diaries. And welcome the SF90. Here's somebody starting something mad back at the office. Now, this is our Novitec version, but it's not full-blown Novitec. A lot of parts are still in construction, they're still being made. For example, a lot of the carbon fiber parts. So when you're looking at this, you'll see, like in the other video, there's still quite a bit of the hard black plastics over here, this bit over here, continuing all towards the back of the car. We don't want that, we want to change that. And in the future, we're going to make another video in which all of that has changed, and we'll show you exactly what it looks like. But we want to show you what we've done so far. These parts are also for sale immediately. First of all, boom! NF10 rims in this sexy dark bronze color. Damn, is that fine looking. Let me know what you think about this color, and let me know what you think about the NF10 rims on this SF90. I think it complements this car very, very well. Center lock look with the red brake caliper, hiding those massive carbon ceramic discs. Needed to stop it because it's quite a heavy car. But here's the other bit of magic. But look at this. It's so much lower on this gorgeous set of Novitec springs. It's just so necessary for this car. You guys remember in the last video, and if you haven't seen that, then click on the top right hand side of the screen and have a look at that video. You'll see this car in standard. It was just way too high, and so this has been fitted with a set of our springs, and it is to die for. We have made an exhaust for this car, and I think that's probably what most of you are mad about and want to see what that sounds like. Yes, we're back at the decibel wars of our Novitec Exhaust-System on the SF90. A proper and honest and very lovely 124,4. This exhaust system has totally transformed the SF90. It is now a proper sports car. We is loving it. Thank you so much. Let me know what you think about that sound compared to that that it had before. If you worry about your neighbors, you can also press this little button and then make it quiet. Or you can drive it in fully electric mode and then nobody would know you're there. But then once we get out of this sweet little town, jump back into life, Novitec exhaust, flick the gears back, make this thing go ballistic. No. And then it's all in there again. Have a look at that. At the beginning you might not see much, but this is it. The exhaust system from Novitec for this car, giving it some soul, brother. Really, this car was so soft, in my opinion, too soft. This exhaust pipe has changed a lot, not just in the sound department, but it's also saved some weight. It's lighter than the standard one. And of course it exits with these beautiful carbon fiber tips. Love those. This as well, as we said before, hard plastic. Chuck that out the window, not gonna happen. Next time you see this puppy, it's gonna be carbon fiber everywhere. In here, the heart of this monster, kicking out in standard form 1001 horsepower at this point in time with what we've done to it up to now, 1033 horsepower, 858 Newton meters of torque. But it's not the final version. We are still going to do a little bit of work on this car, and rumor has it there's room for more. So the next time we drive this probably will have north of 1033 horsepower, which in my opinion is no little number. This car's waiting for us. So let's go and take it for a drive. If you haven't yet, click on the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram. Novitec Group, or me personally, Beyond the Cock.
Nobody's harder than me, I'm a breaker of chains, I'm living it free. Trust what I said and not what you see. Nobody keep it in order like me. I'm really a beast and I'm out in the wild. The will in my eye, and I'm right now. When I gotta get it, the victory's mine. You trying to compete is wasted time. Came from the bottom, but now I'm in front of the line. In front of the haters, I turn them to motivators. I don't owe them no favors, and any beef will get catered. I'm on my way, doing my flex.
Let's just flick this thing into manual, which I do by moving this little switch to M in sport mode. Race, no, sport, we've got the loudest exhaust. From where I'm sitting, this car is Novitec. Bliksem. Masahara, there's a surge, you can't believe it, eh? That is properly quick, mensen. You guys hear the turbo spools? See that wing popping up there? A bit of engine noise I'm actually hearing back there. I mean, the engine is literally sitting right here behind me, but that is, instead of it being annoying, it's actually very attractive. Well, this car feels so different due to the suspension setup now, and also this exhaust, just giving it a totally different persona. And inside, this car is sexy. Love the seats that they have in this SF90 with the red inserts. Then at the back here, the backrest, you got this really cool looking, what seems to be like a vent, you know, with some honeycomb at the back. Nice touch. And what I also appreciate now much more are these air vents that look so sexy of physique, just enveloped in a tad of carbon fiber. Harkens to that which you also see in Ferrari Roma, which also has the AMI system, it's human machine interface. And then it says, okay, since you're not giving me the beans, why don't I just drive electric? And it decides to, you know, go all Ojo big. Seconds, and in my opinion definitely super south of 2.8. So what's the verdict on the SF90 now? Second time round with the Novitec parts. In my opinion, much better. I know you might think that I'm biased, but That is not the case. This is literally, that's where intuition comes in now, where you get into a car, you drive it, and it speaks to you. It tells you its story. And the story it's telling me today is a very different one to what we had last time. It's the suspension and it's the exhaust, especially that exhaust note. That is the pivotal turning point of this SF90, in my opinion, going from not being that great to actually being very cool. And when you're driving this car fast, last time it was a very quick drive and the conditions, but when you're driving it in sport mode and you're giving it the beans, you can feel just all the addition of that hybrid technology working together to propel you into the future. Well guys, it's been an absolute blast with you Oaks on yet another video. Thank you so much for joining us in this one. Be sure to meet us in the next one. As I said, you can subscribe to our channel and there's a little bell that you can click on. That's going to remind you whenever we upload a new video, and that way you won't miss a single thing. Alright, it was lekker having you on board. Thanks so much for joining us. Stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless. Very interesting combination of having a hybrid supercar. Does that possibly even make it a hyper car? Let's see. Smile on my face. Not really hyper. The force is with you.